家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and here's a song called Theatrical, or Yang He Ning, brought to you by Huang Yuhan. Now, it is written in the perspective of an artist that feels their audience is only interested in the gossip that surrounds them, rather than the person that they actually are. Now, Han imagines herself as a clown in an opera, and her efforts only evoke mocking from the audience, where she eventually becomes paralyzed by their scorn and takes the form of a puppet in a tragedy written by somebody else. Very deep. Let's take a listen to Yang He Ning.这首歌叫《样he影》，也就是影戏人，是由黄宇涵所带的歌曲。在描述呢，一位表演者想尽力赢得观众喜爱，但往往关注的是娱乐性话题，而不深入了解表演者的本质，最后却只得到毫不在乎的反应。我们继续来收听这首《样he影》。What a theatrical song that is literally titled Theatrical. And in Hakka, it is Yang He Ning, brought to you by Huang Yuhan. Hope you like that Hakka song for you here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.